America is busy. American government, Donald Trump, or America, Mr. Elon Musk, he is the richest person in the world and he owns Tesla, Tesla car, very innovative car company he owns, and he is very rich. But these people are very busy in cost cutting, in DOGA, Department of Government F- DOGE, government efficiency. The current work of Donald Trump and Elon Musk is whatever is the divergence, whatever is the money that is going out of American government, and other people are getting benefited, or whoever is benefited, federal government employee or whatever it is, they are cutting down everything so that government expenditure can be uh, brought to minimum point possible. That in that sense they are cutting down federal job also and cutting down whatever. This is not the scenario, but this is where they are busy. Where the this is America. America used to be the country which used to export maximum to the world. American companies were exporting maximum to the world, but that chair has come to China now. China is a country which is exporting maximum to the world. This is China now. China has surpassed America, and America is feeling jealous of China to an extent that they have kicked out Chinese from the International Space Station. Okay, in that sense, China has raised its own space station. There are two space stations in the space, 400 kilometer, I believe, that is the height of the space station from the Earth, 400 kilometer. One is ISS International Space Station, where Russia and many countries' employees are working there. Okay, very well known Sunita Williams, I believe, Sunita Williams. So she has ancestry from India from father side, and I believe from she's Polish, Poland from mother side. This is what I remember, European. Okay, she is very famous when she lives in the International Space Station. China has its own space station. Very few people know it. China is everywhere. It is in mood to tackle full world now in technology. The most advanced technology that is in people's hand right now is called a smartphone. 80% of the smartphone being used globally around the globe is from China. Very few people know that means people know that mobile is run by the battery, and battery is called lithium ion battery. Lithium ion battery is rechargeable. There are many rechargeable batteries. Internal technology is different. There is one technology called lithium ion battery that is in mobile nowadays. Lithium ion battery are very powerful battery, but there are chemical battery also which you can charge and discharge. But lithium ion battery are very powerful. They are considered as a kind of a solid battery, and that in that, but it is not very solid. But this they comes in that family, not a kind of chemical battery. And the charge discharge, the number of charge discharge, and the time duration during means the power it contains is more, so cost is more. There is a company that is the company which makes the battery giant, lithium ion battery giant, maximum automobile, the automobile that comes from any company, either it is Ford car or any car where lithium ion battery is used. Around 35% of the market share worldwide is from a China company. Very few people know about it. That lithium ion battery, the maximum production of the battery, the biggest shareholder of the battery, the maximum used battery around the globe in any device, either it is automobile sector or any section, that comes from a battery giant of China. I believe its name is CATL. I'll read it through. Anyway, so when America is busy in cost cutting, China is busy in innovation. China has exploded in 21st century. There is a supernova explosion that has happened in China. China is not developed country. China is the most advanced country in the world now. In technology sector, there is no comparison of China with Russia, America, any Japan, nothing. China is way, way ahead in civil engineering, in manufacture of building, manufacturing of bridges, whatever. It is way, way ahead. Battery comes in chemical engineering or metallurgical engineering. There also, China has no comparison. In electronic sector, it is far, far ahead. Like smartphone, it manufactured. Lenovo laptop is manufactured in China only. In software section also, like TikTok videos, you can add any kind of 3D graphics at runtime. There also, they don't have any comparison. China, you are glowing like any very powerful star, sun, whatever it is. Means this is the China nowadays. Okay, this is why I am here to tell you that China is growing like this. Prove it. Anyone would say prove it. Now, people know that aeroplane runs like this. Aeroplane, first they will come on the kind of runaway, and then aeroplane will run at very high speed, and then at the end it's a turbulence or something it is called, it will be switched down, and then it will take like this, then it will make round, and then it will come to 10,000 meter high, 10 kilometer high around, then it will fly. What is the problem with this? Problem with this is that airport, around the airport, many kilometer area has to be empty. Then only the aeroplane. So you can consider this as pass away technology. This technology, I have described it earlier also. The technology that is being used in aeroplane nowadays, this is very old technology. You need to have airport that will be very big. Then there will you have to go and take boarding pass and this part and that part 3 hours before only you have to start, because airport will be far away from your hometown city, and there you will reach in 1 hour 2 hours. From there you have to reach 2 hours prior. Then you have to stand in the queue and take a I don't know, boarding pass. Then you go to some gate. Then you have to read some newspaper, and then you will then they will check your boarding pass. They will tear it down, and then you will board on a bus. Then bus will keep waiting somewhere in the airport one, in the aerodrome one. Then it will go to aeroplane. Then again someone will tear down your ticket. Then you will go inside the aeroplane. Then you will sit there, and then you will sit there for some time. Then it will go to the runaway. Aircraft will move like a automobile. Then it will go to runaway. Then there will be final signal, then it will start running, then it will take off, then it will make round, then it will go up, from there it will travel, then again it will make round, come down same way, then again you have to come out, and then again you have to go to the town, 1 hour, half an hour journey. So more or less this is a passing by technology, this is an old technology. All American technology are becoming old day by day. Now China has come with a kind of new technology in aeroplane, and that aeroplane will run through battery, not through petrol. That is called lithium ion battery. Lithium ion battery giants in China, they have invented electric aeroplane in China that will work through lithium ion battery. If it works through lithium ion battery can be charged through solar panel also. Petrol diesel is not required. Now lithium ion battery you fit in the aeroplane, and then aeroplane will start running, moving. But it does not need any. I believe the name of this aeroplane is I believe it is SA S SA700D. SA700D. That is 3 4 days back only it got tested, and this aeroplane will 50 meter. If this aeroplane is standing at 10 seater aeroplane, when it is standing at some place, it is parked at some place, 50 meter it will go up immediately vertically. It will not run like this on a runaway. 50 meter it will come up automatically. If it comes 50-meter high, then it will be above any building, normal building or something like that. From there, it can make round or whatever to go up. And it can go up only 3.1 kilometer high only, not 10 kilometer high. 3.1 kilometer high it will go up, or it can go it ascend directly without making round or without running on it. So any household person can keep this. Okay, if he switch it on this airplane, it will go up vertically. And then once it comes to height 3 kilometer, then it will start running. It can run at 80 kilometer per hour. It can fly at 80 kilometer per hour. That is, means for a household, if someone maintains the kind of collision detection, then anyone can use it. Just switch it on and it will go up and it will start moving. Okay, this is one aeroplane SA700D. I'll read out the name. I'm not sure about it. This is a new aeroplane, 10-seater. It goes up vertically, just standing parked and it goes up vertically. And then no need to like run on the runaway, and then it's very costly, right? Runaway, and it's very costly. That's why aircraft tickets are costly. Normal person cannot afford it. And then all this drama going here and there, not required. So this is new aeroplane through lithium ion battery. Then petrol you have to get from some refinery, and those petrol are different from normal automobile. If emergency landing has to be done, then it is on toss. The aeroplane is on toss now. But here the vertically come down, it can land anywhere. Amazing, mind blowing. It runs at 80 kilometer per hour, 3.1 kilometer height, 10-seater. They have made through lithium ion battery. Okay, anyway, the battery giant, I believe CATL is the name of the battery giant. 1 month or 2 months prior, they again tested another aircraft. Okay, that aircraft is four-seater, I believe, and 4 ton in the weight. 4 ton in the weight. And they tested it successfully. Now they are claiming that they are going to test 8 ton, 8,000 kilogram aircraft with their lithium ion battery. And that aeroplane will fly at same 3 kilometer high, 3.1 kilometer high, but it will run at 300 kilometer per hour, 300 kilometer per hour, and it will run for 2000, 3000 kilometer, 2000, 3000 kilometer, means maximum part of India it will take care. Amazing, mind blowing. Okay, I'll read it through here. Okay, I'll read it through. Amazing, mind blowing. China, you are really different nowadays. AS, the name of the flight is AS700D. AS700D, and 3100 meter, 10 people it can carry, 50 meter vertically it can go up. I believe it can go up 3 kilometer also. 80 kilometer per hour it can make speed go. It can be used for low altitude tourism, urban security, aerial advertising, aviation exploration, emergency rescue. Okay, amazing, mind blowing. There is CATL company in China that is contemporary Emperex technology company. The name is CATL, Contemporary Emperex Technology Company. It has already made 4 ton aircraft with lithium ion battery. Now 8 ton they are releasing that will go 2000 to 3000 kilometer. 30 okay 300 kilometer per hour it will run, and same 3 kilometer height. Okay, CATL is the company that manufacture the battery, and it has 37% of the global market share in the battery. 37%. Okay, China, no one can defeat you right now in technology. Means you are great, you are amazing. I wish that someone in India, if not be better than this, but at least this much, someone would succeed making like this. It will make people's life far, far easier, far, far cheaper as far as commutation and transportation is concerned.